Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. Today I'm making this video because I wanted to talk to you about longevity in the automotive industry and one of the number one things you could do, which is take care of your feet. That's why in front of me I have a pair of Redback work boots that I use here in the shop every day to help protect my feet, make my feet feel comfortable so I have energy all through the day. And I wanted to share with you why I chose this particular brand, and I've been using them for about 12 years now. So right here we got a brand new pair of these Redback work boots made in Australia, and a pair of the ones I've been wearing for about 3 years, maybe 3.5 years. And I wanted to show you the soles on them. So I've actually tried these boots on, been walking around with them a little bit and breaking them in. But if you look at the soles on the bottom here, the one on my right is the brand new boot, and the one on the left is the old boot. It's 3 years old, and as you can see, the sole on this boot is pretty much in perfect condition, other than being packed full of grease, dirt, and grime from the shop floor. So that's a big key for the work boots. I found all the work boots I've used in the past, which is the soles would wear out before the boot would wear out. So especially like I'm a heel walker, and the heel would wear out, and you would have a hole in the heel. And then these 3 years later are still almost in perfect shape. Now the insoles here did get packed it down, and I did have to buy new insoles in there, about halfway through the life of the boot. And you're gonna have to do that with any quality pair of boots or any pair of boots, as I may have to add insoles to them over time. But this particular pair was not the steel toe version. You can get them in non-steel toe and in steel toe. I did wear a hole through it, but it did take almost 3 years to wear a hole through the tip. And that's the reason why I picked up a new pair, only because I wore a hole through the tip of the boot. Not because the boot was uncomfortable or any other way, just because it had a hole in it. It was kind of an eyesore, so I wanted to upgrade to a new pair of boots. So that's my only reason for swapping these boots out, is because I wore that hole in it after 3 years. So most pairs of boots, minimum you're going to spend $100, upwards to $200 for a good quality pair of work boots. And I spent upwards of $200 on a good quality pair of work boots, or so-called quality work boots, and they only last 6 months. These boots have lasted me 3 years, and that's been a big difference. So I'll spend a little extra money on a good quality pair of boots like this. So now the new pair of boots also have this new technology or new type of insoles in there that allows air to flow and breathe and take moisture off your feet and away from your feet. Like I said, they're made in Australia, and they're made out of solid quality materials. I'm not even sure what the rubber sole is made out of, but I can tell you for sure it grips really well on the concrete floor, wet, dry, oily, it doesn't matter. And also the sole just lasts forever. That's a big plus for me. So they're also very comfortable as far as the squish on it, or the way they feel on your feet. I have no problems wearing these 8 to 10 hours a day, no problem. Like I said, 8 to 10 hours a day for 3 years, 5 days a week. This is what I wear, and my legs feel good at the end of the day. My feet feel good at the end of the day, and I feel protected in these. So I would recommend a pair of the Redback work boots. I will leave links for it down in the description of the video. That way, if you want to pick them up, you can find them there. I'm Brian from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.